I've run out of water. So I'm drinking a Monster because it's the only thing I can drink and I'm thirsty. Since that Aurora night, it's been raining non-stop. And I'm here. Have you ever... This is how monkeys do it. Little handle. Boop. Man, you're watching me eat a banana. Yeah. Strong eye contact. That's weird. Anyway, part of the job here in Iceland was to shoot a bunch of different locations that aren't like those banger locations because they've got photos of them because they're popular and everyone goes to them. Well, what I'm doing today is hitting all of those spots that I couldn't hit in the last couple of days because it was just raining all the time. So today essentially is, well, it's not really that exciting, but I'm going to try and make these locations look good because that's what the tourism board wants and that's what my job is, and I get to go to those other dope spots in between these ones. So that's the real work of it. Sometimes you don't get the conditions you want and it rains and you're stuck in a van that's the size of a shoebox for 3 days and you go a little crazy. That's where I'm at right now. Let's go take some photos, shall we? Alright. That was fun. I'm gonna put that on the internet. So first stop is Krasavik. I can't pronounce any of these Icelandic names. First stop's a geothermal park. So geysers. Oh, worst of pronunciation. Basically volcanic areas. Lots of hot pools, bits and pieces. The thing they don't tell you is it smells like egg fart. Not normal fart, egg fart. It's the worst. But gotta get a couple shots of this. So really look like much from down here. I mean, the colours over there look pretty good. Could do something with that. I do like the greens and reds and those different colours, but they're hard to shoot from the ground. So I'm gonna whip the drone up, get some aerial looking shots, just to give a kind of a different view of the area. It's really tough shooting locations here in Iceland because the weather does what it wants, when it wants, at any point of the day. It's like just moody all the time. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's a windstorm or a sandstorm as I experienced. It sucks. But that's half the fun. So let's go do the next location that I probably can't pronounce either. Wow, it's really pretty. It still smells like fart though. I can smell that sulfur from like 10k that way. It's just like wafting in and just up in my nose. Oh, it doesn't stop. Alright, I'm gonna go fire off a quick couple shots. Try not to fall over on this volcanic rock, which is just like razor blades. I fell over, I got cuts all over my stomach from the other day actually. This light is beautiful. Let's check back in a second. Gotta go quickly. Oh, the light's good. I'm actually running across this beach right now. Wow. Moody. Just stunning. I've got a rainbow on that side. But if there's a rainbow, it means there's rain. Right? There's this weird little mist coming down. Oh, that is... Gotta go. There's a shot I can see over there. Ow, that was my foot. There's a shot I can see over the other side. This rainbow's just like coming down into the ocean. Woo! Okay, this is not what I was expecting to be over here. This is a lot of down. It's really pretty though. And the rainbow's gone. The rainbow's gone, people. Damn it. Oh, I guess I'll take some photos here. I'm about to send the drone up. This little guy. You just thought I was fat, didn't you? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Gonna send this guy up and just like soar across. Obviously, that pot from the yellow jacket, it's worth the 50 bucks. It's also a raincoat, and Iceland rains a lot, in case you haven't heard me whinge about it before. I'll sort this out in a second. Started raining again, but it's cleared up again, which it does here. We've got this beautiful frame with, if you can see behind me, up there, we've got a road. I want to get a white car coming along that road, and then over there, have me standing in this yellow jacket. I'm gonna run over, boop, put a little 10-second timer on, and get that shot. I'm just gonna go walk over and see what is actually like feasible for me to stand on safely first. That'll do nicely. There's like 4 cars in the car park over there, so I'm waiting for someone to get in and good chat. It's raining again. Again. Make up, you know what, at least people will leave soon. I can see people looking at me. Hey, he's looking at me. Yeah, I'm standing in the rain. I'm standing in the rain talking to a camera in the middle of Iceland. Go and get in your car. Oh, there's a car. I missed it. I've been standing here for like 15-20 minutes now, just waiting for, you know, it's just a little element in a photo, but it just, those little things just make a photo like, it's a, woo, going on a half an hour now. There's 2 cars in the car park that are white. 20 bucks says they go the other way. Living on the edge here. They went the other way. I've been here for like 35-40 minutes. It would be just like the final element to this photo, but I've got work to do today, so I'm gonna kick on. Here's the photo that we took anyway. Yeah, it's still a good photo. Leading lines, isolated figure, beautiful landscape. Still a money photo, it's not perfect, but right now I've got other things I really need to do. Alright Iceland, please stop yelling at me. Literally we ducked in to have lunch and look outside the window, and all of a sudden there's just this soft glow on the horizon. Yeah, nothing much. I'm like, yeah, whatever, I'll check it out. All of a sudden, it just opens up. What? Now I'm like rushing to get to this location and driving while using a camera. It's a phone, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna put this down and pay attention to the road properly, because it's this tiny little winding road. I can do both. B-roll action. That house has got no roof. Oh my god, this lighting is just insane. Mate, camera's going down. Camera's going down. I am legit running because there is a rainbow behind me and the sun looks like it's just going to disappear. Can you see it? It's that way. Past the lighthouse. Alright, lighthouse in the foreground. Oh, there's rocks in there. Oh, shit. Sun's like just about to disappear. Oh, baby. Bye. Oh, I got it. Almost got wet in the process. Actually, I got a wet bum, but got the photo of this bright orange lighthouse. Whoever did that, kudos to you. Kudos to them, because whew, it just makes photos pop. We've got these lovely little pools, little reflection, rainbow, double lighthouse. Boom! That was a special one. I got some beautiful shots. Oh my god. I've been sitting in the rain all day after shooting this morning, thinking I might not get anything from these last locations. Might just have to eat it and just say that I got cloudy shots. And then sometimes the sky just like opens up, the heavens fall down, and you get that. I'm very excited with those shots. They're just totally unexpected, completely unexpected. Like, come on, an orange lighthouse and a rainbow and a sunset in one shot. God damn it, Iceland, just relax. Anyway, also check out my tripod. Just balancing on my wallet. Thank you, lighthouse, and the person who painted it orange. Come on, Iceland.